Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a bike check on bs.frank's bike.
Yeah, mine off.
No.
I don't need no love and affection. All I need is to get my bread in.
I told bro, let's glide on the Otsy, fuck what the Otch can hold it too. Or said don't drop many hits, are cool, but I'm gonna need transport too. On the up block tryna find these youths, slack like, get put in my zoo. On the up block tryna find these youths, slack like, get put in my zoo. All the talk, my name is long, I'll get.
As you can see here, my bike is a 10-speed bomber, Mafia. Yeah, so this is my bike and let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start with the top half of the bike. My bike came stock, so the bars came stock, the brake came with Techo, and the seat came. So basically what I got for this bike is a Shimano Dior, as you can see, very good brake. And I also got black SE bars, and I got a black Plasmat seat. Yeah. You can see that also I've got ODI grips with no bar ends in it because I took them out. And I've got an original 10-speed bomber shifter that came with the bike. I've got a normal black Mafia stem. I've got this thing for my GoPro and I've got a beast mode top cap. As you can see, I've also got V60 MR pedals purple. I think they're really good for like your combos and stuff when you do combos. I've also got Savage pegs. They're really good pegs because they're like long and stuff. And I've got grip tape on it to keep my thing when you do my combos. And yeah, I did get these are the original snake skins that came in the bike. I did get other tyres, crazy ones, but I took them off because they were skinny ones. And so yeah, that's enough of my bike. I hope you enjoyed the video.